So I found these leaves while we were hiking at the north rim of the Grand Canyon, and I thought I would put them onto some little soap dispensers that I just made a couple days ago. So this is the way you do it. You just take the leaf, and you can do this with any leaf or flower or whatever you find in your own yard, and you take like leather hard pottery and place it on there, kind of wet it a little bit with a sponge so it sticks better, and then carefully just use a roller and roll it on, and it will leave the imprint of the leaf. And in this case, I wanted to outline each leaf just to make sure that the impression was going to be noticeable enough. And then when I glaze it, I'm going to put wax in the area where the leaf print is so that the clay stays there. And then I'll put the glaze around it so everything will be glazed except for where the leaves are, and the natural clay color will show through. This clay is 266 standard, and I like how it fires. It comes out really dark, and in cone 6 electric kiln firing. So I'm outlining the leaves, and once I have them outlined, I will pull each leaf off, and you'll be able to see what it looks like.